Alright. This is our little garden. Good morning. We decided to make a garden this summer, and we thought we were going to make a big one, but we did not. Sometimes whatever you think about doesn't always come out the same, if that makes any sense. So we wanted to make a big garden this summer. We wanted to make sure that we had a lot of tomatoes, a lot of kale, a lot of bell peppers. But we went to Home Depot. This well, let's see if I can get this to water itself while I make this video. Yeah. That's not gonna work out. Alright, I guess that could work out for a minute. So we had to get the lumber, we had to get the netting, we had to get the post, I don't know what they're called, and some of this kind. And we had to get about 10 bags of manure, which that was not cheap. Oh, I should wipe the camera. So, oh, that did not help. Oh, and I'm making a mess. Just gonna fix it. Is that better? That should be better. So, we decided we wanted to make a small garden, but that was only because of the budget restraint. So what we do have here, we have tomatoes. These are tomatoes, bell peppers, some greens. I do not know the name, I'll probably find out. Those right there. And here we have some cilantro, we have some spring onions and the like. So this is the garden that you're going to be seeing for this summer, and hopefully I can show you the progress along the way, the challenges already, because we do have some challenges. The kale already encountered a strange issue of becoming very yellow on some leaves. I thought I was going to be able to solve that by using some repellent. The internet offered you mix some soap with water, and there was soap and I forget what else it was, but it was just regularly available stuff. Oh, and oil, a bit of oil, 2 spoons of oil, cooking oil, and just rub it on the affected leaves. But I guess that did not work because they died. They're literally just drying out. You can see them, like this leaves got yellow and they're dying right there. Well, whatever is going to survive is going to survive. But and we got the pineapple right over there. The pineapple is doing really well. And I'm thinking, I've seen people plant pineapple in other videos, and I think they do well. So I think that one, probably by the end of summer, it will probably have something. I don't know how long pineapples grow for or how long they take, but I'm thinking it'll probably get something. This is really fulfilling. We try to make some manure as well. We've had some peels, like this avocado peels, banana peels and stuff, and oranges. And we're just trying to make manure. Usually it's quite difficult gauging the days you're going to be watering this in a week, because you're gone for most of the days and this garden is left. You know, you water it and leave for like 3 days, and I don't think that's too bad. I just feel like we probably need like an extra day of watering. But whatever works will work, and we'll see how far we'll have gotten by the end of summer or by fall, because I'm hoping if this does survive, we could probably make a bigger garden next time. But you know, challenges first. This is our first garden in Georgia, and I'm thinking if this does well, it'll be really good. If it does well, it'll be really good, and the lessons that we get from here will be really useful in future gardens that we do decide to make. So, if you have not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. And random videos like this and others will be coming along. Thank you for always coming back here to watch the videos, and even if you're watching a minute or a couple seconds, I do appreciate your support. I'll catch you on the next one.